What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a bootleg Whitestone dome screen protector for the Oneplus 7 Pro. This is currently available on Amazon for $14.99 with Prime shipping. It does have a 4-star rating. Whitestone dome screen protector is coming out with their own version of this, and it is due late June. So I just went ahead and picked this one up and see what it was all about. So a couple things they advertise here is full cover 2.5D elegant round edge screen protector, anti-shock, anti-impact, wear resistant, scratch proof, oleophobic, hydrophobic, and anti-fingerprint. You do get a UV LED lamp for curing the tempered glass screen protector. One thing, I don't think this comes with the case like the Whitestone dome does, but nothing on the back. Same thing that we covered on the front, just nothing on the top. So let's go ahead and open this screen protector and see what it's all about. Again, $14.99, 15 bucks with Prime shipping. The link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick yourself a Foluu Oneplus 7 screen protector, full HD, basically a bootleg Whitestone dome. We do have our installation toolkit. We do have our UV lamp here. This one's a lot smaller compared to the Whitestone dome, and a lot harder to open up these. Damn, this thing is stuck. There we go. A little hard to open these, but eventually you do get it opened. So we have our UV curing lamp there. We do have our glue, our stickers, our tempered glass screen protector right here, and this is edged, so you do have a nice perfect edge. And you do not have a tray. So you do have your instructions here. So I'm just gonna go off how I normally do the Whitestone dome screen protector. Now you do not have a tray, but I think we can go ahead and use this one right here. So I'm gonna use this as my tray. Right off the back, this screen protector here that I had, this one right here was pretty good. It did well. The fingerprint reader worked great with this, and it never popped up or anything like that. So this was not a bad screen protector, and for a couple bucks, you know what I'm saying, if you don't want to spend big money, these right here were pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to work pretty good and last that long, but it did. So bigs up. Link will be to the video up there, so if you want to pick up one of those you can. But let's go ahead and I just ripped my sticker there, but just get this cleaned up real quick. So we have to cut that off there. That kind of sucks. Okay, so get some scissors to cut this open, because that was a no-go, honestly, with a knife. Got dust there. All right, so what we want to do is we're going to port this twist the back. Just like the Whitestone dome screen protector. Get all that glue out of there. You know what? We have the temper glass here. We're gonna peel the back off. And we're gonna kind of just align it. Let it go through it, and it is sliding, so right there. So just let the adhesive flow through the whole glass. You can kind of align it, move it around. So while that's spreading out, I'm gonna go ahead and get this UV light ready, and it looks like it's almost there. So that looks good there, that looks good. Let's go ahead and put it here for a little bit. Now this does make it a lot, oh shit, I just moved it. This does make it a lot harder than the Whitestone dome because you don't have a tray and the glass just moves around on you. So you want to kind of be very gentle and have those guiding stickers there so you can kind of guide the screen protector accordingly to the screen there. So I'm doing my best to hold this still. It's very, very hard. One thing that I'll tell you right off the back, I do not recommend using this plastic as the tray because it's very hard for the light to get on. You have to hold it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now this doesn't shut off. So you're just, let's go ahead, we'll do it like that. It doesn't have a timer like the Whitestone dome, but just give it a couple seconds, a minute, and it should be fine. Wipe it and then run it again. Now this is the Whitestone dome lamp here. As you can see the size difference, this one has a bunch of LEDs, so I'm thinking I'm gonna run this one as well. If you have an extra one of these, I suggest you run and use the Whitestone dome one instead of this one, because that one only has a couple LEDs. This one has a bunch, and this one's timed, and you can run it like that. Look at that, bam. Go ahead and move this one out of the way and use the Whitestone dome. Alright, so we let it cure for about a minute on each side. Let's go ahead and remove the phone out of this weak tray that I shouldn't put it there. Let's go ahead and wipe some of this excessive glue. It should be drying, should be pretty dry by now. Well, let's go ahead and peel this, give it a good wipe down. Actually looks pretty good. Let's see if the fingerprint works. And I'm thinking, oh, there it goes. I was thinking maybe you have to re-register. it's probably best if you re-register it, but it does work pretty well and accurate without you re-registering your thumb. Look at that, bam. It's always recommended when you install a tempered glass screen protector to re-register your fingerprint, but it does look pretty well. It looks pretty good, man. Actually, for 15 bucks, it's not bad. Let's go. All right, we're back, and this thing is amazing, dude. For 15 bucks, it's not bad. Besides the installation's a little hard if you never installed a Whitestone Dome screen protector before, but you got to be very careful. But other than that, dude, this thing is rock solid. It is case friendly. I do have it on the cheap bootleg. So I got a bootleg nylon Oneplus 7 Pro case and a bootleg Whitestone Dome screen protector on the Oneplus 7 Pro. It looks pretty good. I didn't spend $50 on this screen protector. I spent $15, but I don't know how well it's gonna last. Only time will tell, but I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Link to this will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and try installing one of these. It's not the easiest installation process, but if you get it right, you won't be disappointed with the outcome. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.